Hello everybody and welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. I'm Anuradha and in this particular session I am back once more with a very important update for your upcoming CDS 2021 exam. As you all know, this exam is bound to take place on 14th of November 2021. All of you who have been preparing for this examination has been waiting patiently for this very important news, and that is the admit card is out now for this exam. Yes, you heard me right. The admit card is out now for CDS 2021 examination. In this particular session, I'm going to tell you how you can download the admit card for CDS 2021 exam. But before that, let me also reiterate some of the important facts about the CDS examination as a whole. The Combined Defense Services Exam or the CDS examination is a national level exam which is organized by the Union Public Service Commission to recruit candidates for Indian Military Academy, Officers Training Academy, Indian Naval Academy and Indian Air Force Academy. This exam is held twice in a year through offline mode or a written test. Let's check into the CDS 2021 age eligibility and date of birth. For Indian Military Academy and for Indian Naval Academy, the age limits are 19 to 24 years. For Indian Air Force Academy, the age limit is 20 to 24 years. For Officers Training Academy for both men and women, the age limits are 19 to 25 years. Moving on to the educational qualification for sitting into this particular exam. For the Indian Military Academy, you should be a graduate. For Officers Training men and women, you have to be graduate. However, for Indian Naval Academy, you have to be a BE or BTech with 10+2, where you should have physics and maths. For Indian Air Force Academy, you have to be a graduate or a BE BTech, that is 10+2 with physics and maths. Now let's look also into the exam pattern of CDS 2021. What will be the examination pattern this year? The type of examination will be offline and MCQ based. That is, objective questions will be asked on an OMR answer sheet. You need to answer the questions. For admission to Indian Military Academy, Indian Naval Academy and Air Force Academy, the subjects or the papers on which you need to take your CDS 2021 exams are English, General Knowledge and Elementary Mathematics. For each of these papers, the duration is for 2 hours, and in each of these papers, 120 questions are asked, except Elementary Mathematics, where 100 questions will be asked. However, all these 3 papers will consist of 100 marks each, consisting of a total of 300 marks. However, for admission to Officers Training Academy, there will be only 2 papers or 2 subjects on which you need to take your CDS OTA 2 2021 examination, and that is English and General Knowledge. Again, for English and General Knowledge, the duration of each of these papers are 2 hours. The questions asked from each of these papers is 120 questions each, and again, the 2 papers will consist of 100 marks each, consisting of a total of 200 marks. Now, we will also look into the marking scheme for CDS 2021 exam. For English, General Knowledge, it is 120 questions from each of them and a total of 100 marks for each of the paper. For every correct answer for English and General Knowledge, 0.83 marks will be awarded, and you will also lose 0.27 marks for every wrong answer. For Elementary Mathematics paper, 100 questions will be asked of a total of 100 marks, and for this Elementary Maths paper, for every correct answer you will score 1 mark, and for every incorrect answer you will lose 0.33 marks. So in total, 340 questions will be asked from these 3 subjects of English, GK and Elementary Mathematics, and it will consist of a total of 300 marks for your CDS 2021 examination. Now let's look into the selection procedure for CDS 2021. And so you have to sit for a written exam, which is going to take place obviously on 14th of November, and then you will be called for SSB interview. Once you're recommended there, you will go for your medical examination, and then your name will be published in the merit list. Now, there are certain important dates that you need to remember for CDS 2021 exam. So I would suggest all of you to note these dates down. As you know, the online application for CDS 2021 exam started on 4th August 2021 and it continued till 24th August 2021. The admit card has been released and the date of the examination is on 14th of November 2021. The results of which will be published in January to February 2022. Now, Those of you who are going to take CDS 2 2021 examination or even CDS 2022 examination, which is next year, can enroll themselves into CDS exam online course, which is available in our app. So download our app today from the Google Play Store and get subscribed into the CDS exam online course, where each and every subject pertaining to this exam is covered in full detail. So now let's look into some of the steps that you need to follow while downloading your CDS 2 2021 e-admit card. First of all, you need to visit at the official website upsconline.nic.in. Then you need to click on the link e-admit cards for various examinations of UPSC. A page will appear and you need to click on the download link for Combined Defense Services Examination 2 2021. A page like this will open and you need to click on the link to download the e-admit card for the CDS 2 2021 examination. Next, an instructions page will appear, which you need to read thoroughly and then click on the yes button of the question that will be asked. Next, a page will appear on your screen where you need to download your e-admit card by using your registration ID or your roll number. In this way, you can download your CDS 2 2021 e-admit card very easily. Now, there are certain important instructions that you need to follow after you have downloaded the e-admit card for your CDS 2 2021 exam. First of all, you need to bring the printout of the e-admit card along with the original photo identity card whose number you have mentioned in the e-admit card in each session to secure admission to examination hall for your CDS 2 2021 exam. The e-admit card should be preserved till the declaration of the final result, as its production before SSB is necessary while your SSB interview is being called for. Enter the examination hall at least 30 minutes before the scheduled commencement of the exam. Please remember that entry to the examination venue closes 10 minutes prior to the scheduled commencement of the examination in each session. Candidates should note that they shall not be allowed to appear at any other venue except the venue mentioned in the e-admit card. If a candidate appears at any other venue due to any reason, his or her candidature shall liable to be cancelled. Mobile phones, calculators or any of the IT gadgets are not allowed inside the premises where the examination is being conducted. Any infringements of these instructions shall entail disciplinary action, including ban from future examinations. Candidates who do not have clear photographs on the e-admit card will have to bring a photo identity proof like Aadhaar card, driving license, passport, voter ID card and so on, and 3 passport size photographs, one for each session, for appearing in the examination with an undertaking. Candidates should also note that any omission, mistake or discrepancy in encoding or filling in details in the OMR answer sheet, especially with regard to roll number and test booklet series code, will render the answer sheet liable for rejection. Answers other than those made by black ballpoint pen would not be evaluated. Please make sure that you are thoroughly and very carefully following this particular instruction. Candidates admitted for the OTA course only, but who would appear unauthorizedly in elementary maths paper for CDS 2 2021, their answer scripts of elementary maths paper will not be evaluated. Following the COVID protocols, wearing of mask or face cover is mandatory for all candidates. Candidates without mask or face cover will not be allowed to enter into the exam venue. So make sure that you're wearing your face mask or face cover. Candidates, however, will have to remove their masks for verification whenever required by the examination functionaries. Candidates can carry their own hand sanitizer in a small size in transparent bottle. You need to also follow COVID-19 norms of social distancing as well as personal hygiene inside the examination halls or rooms as well as in the premises of the venue. So I hope that this session has been quite useful to you, where I have in detail tried to explain to you the very important instructions that you need to follow on the day of your examination. For detailed examination instructions, you can obviously follow our article which has been published. And guys, you can also, while you are revising, take these test series which have been already provided inside the app in the form of both CDS exam online mock test series as well as CDS OTA exam online mock test series. Numbers of practice exercise sets have been provided, which will also help you to improve your performance in the actual CDS 2 2021 exam. However, if you are preparing for any other defense exam, please make sure that you are downloading our app and checking out all those defense exam related courses that have been already provided for your benefit. If you're also preparing for any upcoming SSB interview, there is also a recently launched SSB interview online course, which is the best one in the market, which you can download, which will really help you to crack the SSB interview. So all these you can access very easily only through our app. So please download SSB Crack Exams Learning app if you have not downloaded it yet, and get yourself enrolled into the courses by using the code Warrior10, which will give you an extra 10% off on all courses and test series. So that was it, guys. I will all wish you best of luck and all the best for your upcoming CTS 2 2021 examination. Stay tuned with SSB Crack Exams and always stay positive and motivated. Jai Hind.